next week. But I wanted to make a very important point. Part of what we will do in this class, we will contend for current issues as well. And I was raising the point that recently the Jamaican government announced that they are going to be importing cameras, state-of-the-art cameras, to spy on Jamaicans. And the question is, what does that say about the right to privacy? Now, you may argue that having spy cameras is a deterrent to crime. But then one may respond by saying, through a rebuttal, and say, well, yes, deterrent to crime. Jamaica is a very small country, but have one of the highest crime rates. Yes, that's true. Nevertheless, you cannot. Yet there's a saying that we have in Jamaica: you jump out a frying pan, you land in a fire. And so therefore you have to give cadence to that.